How to edit Control Center on iPhone iOS 18. Hey everyone! With the latest iOS 18 update, you can now fully customize the Control Center on your iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit the Control Center on iOS 18. Let's get started. First, bring up the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner to enter Edit Mode. In Edit Mode, you see all the available shortcuts and functions. Tap on any control. You don't need to remove it from the Control Center. You can also resize the controls based on your preference. To make a control smaller, set it to 1 grade. If you want a larger control, you can expand it to 4 grades. For certain widgets, you can expand them to fill the whole page. You can even move widgets from one page to another to keep your Control Center organized. To add a new control, tap on Add a Control. From the list, select any controls you'd like, and they'll appear in your Control Center. If you'd like to delete an entire page, remove all the widgets on it, and it will disappear from the Control Center. That's all for the video. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.